How to send money as friends or family on your PayPal mobile application. I will do this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always follow the same steps on any device that PayPal officially supports. So without further ado, if you want to see more contents or tutorials like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First off, just open your PayPal mobile application from your phone, and then from the dashboard, just click send. You can choose whichever account that you wanted to choose from your contacts, or you can also highlight that input field on the top and then enter whatever account, whatever the name of the account that you wanted to send to. So for example, I will enter my other account here. PayPal can find that account and it will suggest an account. That it will display a suggestion displaying that account. If you want to just choose that account, and then you can enter whatever amount of money that you wanted to send to. So for example, I will send 10. You can also change the currency. So right now it's displaying 10 USD. You can change it to whichever currency that PayPal supports. So for example, Philippine peso or Singaporean dollar or British kroner, for example. I'll keep using the USD. You can also add a message here, GIF. Okay, and once you're done, just click review and don't forget to choose friends and family. One of the benefits of sending money as friends and family in PayPal is that you do not have to pay extra charge for it. But one of the prerequisites for this tutorial is that you have already linked your bank or credit card account to your PayPal account. So to proceed, just click this one, choose next. PayPal will prompt you to fund the transaction using whatever credit or debit card account that you have already linked previously, and that's pretty much how you send money as friends or family on your PayPal mobile application. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate also to put it on the comment section down below. That's pretty much the whole tutorial. I hope it helps. Cheers, and until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.